I'm gonna show you how to change this. You see this arrow? Okay, I'm gonna show you. First, go to cydia, and it's for free. I hope you like this video. So subscribe and comment if you need any help. Okay. And now subscribe my other channels, Minecraft PE. I know I have Minecraft PE. I'm Minecraft PE edit. So you have to write down color knob. Okay. Get this one and download it, and it will say restart springboard. Restart it, and then go back to settings.
Would you still be my friend if I was called Mark Mayonnaise?
And see color knob, and enable this. And what color you want? I'll choose pink, and turn off, and it will be pink. So that's that's how you get it. So subscribe, please, and I hope you like this.
Yep. Man, there's no pickaxe.